Okay, changing the oil on a Equinox 4-cylinder. Get the cap right here, and you will have a 15mm drain plug on your oil pan. Recommended 5W30. We usually use 10W30, but always scotch it. Go right under the back subframe bolt is where I like to go with the jack, and then get yourself some room to go under. Put your bolt on. Well, it's on the back side, the head facing the rear end. As you can see, it's still draining. May take 7 quarts is what we were thinking. We're gonna let that drain some more, but that is the process. Here's your oil filter right there. You have a special tool. You take that right below where I'm pointing right there off, and then you will have a filter that slides down with a rubber seal. You want to make sure to remove that seal, the old seal, and always make sure to put your new seal back on. Rub a little oil around it, and not to over tighten because it is plastic. But other than that, just make sure you're safe with jack stands or scotches. Y'all have a good one. Please like and subscribe.